Hiya, welcome back. We're going to try and do the curvy bit of that floor pan. Yeah, the little piece we cut out last video. And I said, oh, don't worry about that, I'll sort it out. Well, I had a go. Quite tricky, to be fair. I had to make it in two parts. I'll show you in the video how we sort of went about it. I won't do too much talking, if any at all. Just let you watch the video. But we got that little awkward bit. If anybody knows why Rovers did that curvy floor, or what's the purpose of it, I'd like to know, because it's all a bit weird why they've got these curves in the floor like that. They're quite deep, and it just makes it really awkward to sort out and fix. But it's not coming out too bad so far. Quite pleased with it. And I'll get you, I think in the next video, I'll get a little camera or something underneath the car so you can see how it's all starting to come together. How the sills have joined up, and how that little piece we've just put in and the floor, how that sits against the sills. Yeah, it's all a bit weird under there, but it's coming out alright, I think. So, enjoy. Right, that's that little bit done. Quite pleased with that. It was quite tricky, to be fair. We got there in the end. I don't know if you noticed that while we were doing it, I put a split down there, just put a little cut down there, because this bit of metal, there's too much metal here. So rather than sort of try and shrink it, we just put a cut in it and it all settled down, and then we just re-welded it back up, and that's actually come out quite nice now. So I'm okay with that. That's another little bit done. It's all done on the side down here as well. Quite happy with all that. When we were doing the grinding, forget what it was now, yeah, here, because we've done the overlap on the floor, these were the bits that actually fell out onto the floor. Sometimes it gets stuck and it gets caught on a bit of weld, so just make sure you just stick your hand underneath, grab hold of them, give them a little wriggle, and they normally fall out. Yeah, quite happy with that. So don't forget the old likey, subscribey. I think I'm up to about 380 something subscribers. It'd be nice to hit the 400 this week if we can. And see you later. Thanks, bye.